Broodmother Noctul has contacted us. She speaks for the remaining Broodmothers not under your control. They feel your power, and they wish to return to the swarm.
Broodmothers, hear me. I am sending you the location of our enemies across the sector. Destroy them. Burn their strongholds in my name. Then, you shall be one with the swarm.
We shall do this, my queen.
With their return, the swarm will be whole. You are very near to your victory.
There will be no essence here. I cannot collect if there is none.
We are here because our queen orders it. Do not dare question.
I follow for essence.
You must learn obedience, Primal.
Yes, come to me. I will collect your essence now.
Enough! Zagara, do not speak for me. Tahaka, do not collect from my swarm. Have you found anything?
Colonel Orlan is hacking into the Dominion net right now.
Tell him he's got 1 hour.
I won't do that, Kerrigan.
You're already in over your head. Don't make it worse.
If the Dominion sense our intrusion, they'll move Jim or kill him. I am not going to risk failure because you are impatient. So save your threats.
You've done some growing up since Umoja.
Zerg are not the only ones who adapt.
Very well. I will wait for your expert to do his work.
The Broodmothers dislike working with Terrans.
They were necessary to my plans.
They are asking if we may destroy the Terrans, now that they are no longer useful.
Tell them the Terrans are not to be harmed. It is my will.
I will tell them, my queen.
Is it possible for the swarm to hack into the Dominion's network?
Terran systems inelegant. Problem with interchange. Many factors obstruct request. Biology, language.
So our thoughts are too different for anything beyond simple transmissions.
Accurate. Zerg processes complex. Incompatible with Terran machinery.
Then it's up to Valerian now. Time to contact Valerian and Horner. I have to know where Jim is.
Kerrigan, we found him.
Where?
He's being held on the Moros, a mobile prison ship that jumps every hour to a randomized set of coordinates. There's no way to predict where it will jump next.
They've got to resupply sometime.
Exactly. We know the ship will be at the Atlas station for 32 minutes tomorrow.
Atlas will send a tanker out to the Moros, but when the fueling's done, it's gone. Our associate Tosh volunteered to infiltrate.
No, you've done your part. I'll handle this myself.
Be careful, Kerrigan. This place makes New Folsom look like a nursery.
I'm in.
Our sensors are tracking you. I'll relay any tactical information I can. Be careful, Kerrigan. My father will have made every precaution to ensure no one reaches Commander Raynor.
He's not prepared for me. No time like the present.
The hell was that?
Speak. Our conquest.
Hit the alarm!
The platform retracted. We're going around. What is it this time?
Brave soldiers of the Dominion. This craft is under attack by the Queen of Blades. You know what to do, men.
I am the Swarm. Make your peace. It is time. Retribution will be mine. What is it this time? Next. Yes. Speak. You die. Yes. No time like the present. Retribution will be mine. Your queen, listen. Bringing out the big guns. Speak. Our conquest continues.
Kerrigan, they've sealed the primary bulkhead. You're going to have to break through.
My swarm, guard me while I take care of this.
The swarm answers your call.
She's breaking into maximum security. Stop her now! Bravo engaging. Send backup.
Heavy weapons are moving in. Be careful.
Minions, defend our queen.
Assimilation successful. Awaiting directive.
Our conquest continues. This world is mine.
Kerrigan, it's Horner. The security station near you holds the ship's prisoner log. If you can, grab it. We'll figure out the rest after Jim's safe.
The present. Boldly.
Kerrigan, there's a large number of guards nearby.
If I implant virophages here, the infested will tear into those defenses.
It's your call.
Your queen listens. Boldly.
Are under attack.
This world is mine. It is time. What is it this time?
Our allies are in combat.
peace. Our conquest can speak. Retribution. Make your peace. No time. It is time.
Somebody call for an exterminator?
Speak. I am the swarm.
This isn't happening. Destroy the coupling. Jettison the prison deck.
You heard the man. Blast it. We're cutting the prisoners loose.
We are without limit.
The coupling's taking heavy damage.
It is time.
Kerrigan, I did not think you would be so foolish as to come here. And now, your actions will lead to the death of all these brave men.
What did he just say?
They are all heroes, willing to sacrifice their lives in order to end your miserable existence. You and James Rayner can burn together.
Kerrigan, we just watched the bridge explode. The Moros is tearing itself apart. You have to save Jim. We're running out of time.
Yes. We adapt.
Fire, you idiots!
War. Your queenless. Retribution will be mine. I am the swarm.
Oh, screw this! Run!
Where do we go? The whole side of the ship is gone!
Enough of this. Tear down that gate. I am the swarm.
Get to the escape pods! Go! Go! Go!
This is the prison deck! There aren't any escape pods!
Adapt. The swarm.
I ain't waiting to die! Wait!
Our conquest continues. We are without limit. Make your peace. This world is...
Death from above!
I am the swarm. Boldly.
Move! Move! We got Zerg on our asses!
The swarm conquers all. We are without limit.
Let us in, you bastards!
out your data.
Roger that. Thank you, Kerrigan.
Our forces are under attack.
Yes.
This is it! If we going down, we taking these ugly critters with us!
Retribution. Yes. Zagara, have the Leviathan stabilize this section of the ship.
It is done.
Hold on, Jim. I'm almost there. I had to get you out.
What have you done?
What I had to.
Tell that to Phoenix. Tell it to the millions you butchered.
You swore you'd kill the Queen of Blades. You were the only one who ever believed in me. Do you still believe in me? I love you, Jim. Never forget it.
We're done.